Hi everyone, this is Kaif and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is computer networks. This is the first lecture of our playlist Computer Networks. Make sure to watch the complete playlist so you can have the better understanding and in-depth knowledge of computer networks. So in this first lecture we will be discussing what is computer network, its definition, key components of computer networks, types of network, LAN, WAN, WLAN, MAN. Importance of computer networks, applications of computer networks. Watch this video completely in the end. What's the definition of computer networks? A computer network is a group of interconnected computers and devices that can communicate and share resources with each other. These connections can be made using cables, wireless signals or other methods. So this means like computer network is a group of interconnected computers. Computers with any device that can be connected, in the sense like it can be laptops or smartphone as well. So that can be connected. Main intention is to communicate and share resources with each other. These connections can be made by cables or wireless, and wireless signals, that means Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, internet or other methods as well. So let's understand that in deeply what is like. Now let's understand key components of computer networks, that is nodes and links. What is nodes and what is links? Let's understand that. Nodes are devices that are connected to the network, such as computers, printers and servers. Nodes means the devices. You can understand it simply. These are the devices through which the network is created, like computers, printers or servers. These are the physical aspect of the device in which the network is made from this device to another device. And the second is links. These are the physical or wireless connections that enable communication between nodes. As I mentioned in the above, nodes will be like the devices, two devices in the sense that would be connected through links. Links can be wireless connections or wired connections with cables. So yeah, this is nodes and links. Nodes will be like two devices or more devices that is connected through links, that is like cables or wireless communication as well. Types of networks. Local area network, that is LAN. This connection means that connects devices within a small localized area like home, school or office. Like if you have a connection between the devices, like in the local or the small area, in the home, school or an office building, it will be called as LAN or local area network. And the second is wide area network, WAN. This connects devices over large geographic areas such as cities or countries. Internet is the best example or the largest example of WAN. This means like internet connection. Your device is connected through geographic areas like cities or countries. It is like a huge network of connection between the devices. So internet is the example of WAN. Whereas local area network is like limited to home, school or office building. Wide or WAN, wide area network or WAN, connects devices over large area such as cities or countries. Internet is an example of WAN. So the third is wireless local area network, WLAN. Similar to LAN but uses wireless technology to connect devices. So WLAN is similar to LAN in the sense it is connects with small network, small localized areas like home, school or building, but it is wireless. LAN is wired connection between the devices. WLAN is a wireless connection between the devices. So fourth one is MAN or metropolitan area network. This covers larger geographic area than LAN but smaller than WAN, such as city. So this is like a middle part or middle connection between both LAN and WAN. So it would be like MAN. So this means like it covers area more than home, school or small location, and it is less than WAN that covers the countries such as small city. MAN covers like a larger geographic area than LAN but smaller than WAN. So the fifth is personal area network, PAN. This connects devices around a single person, such as Bluetooth connection between your smartphone and your wireless headphone. So yeah, PAN is personal. Personal means which is intended for your personal use. Connects devices around a single person, like single person you connecting a device through Bluetooth with your smartphone and your wireless headphone, which comes under PAN. So let's understand importance of computer networks. Computer networks is used for communication, resource sharing, data transfer and collaboration. So let's understand communication in computer networks. Allows easy and quick communication between devices, enabling emailing, messaging and video calls. So yeah, computer networks allows communication through email, message and video calls, and resource sharing in computer networks, which means computer networks enables sharing of resources like files, printers and internet connection. With the use of computer networks, we can share resources like files, like printers to print the data which we want to print, and internet connection between the devices for our use. So third is data transfer. Computer network facilitates the transfer of data between devices, essential for business operations and daily tasks. So computer network helps transfer of data between two devices, that is essential for business operations or for daily tasks as well. Like if you send the file through Bluetooth from one device to another, the transfer of files from WhatsApp or any other applications which uses internet, that comes under computer networks. This is the importance of computer networks that helps transfer your data from one device to another. So the fourth point is collaboration. Computer network supports collaborative work environments by allowing multiple users to work on the same document or a product simultaneously. So let's understand the applications now. And before we start the applications of computer networks, if you are enjoying this video and if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share with your friends so you will not miss another video from my end. So let's dive now into the applications of computer networks. Applications of computer networks are home networks, business networks, educational networks and public networks. Home networks are like personal devices like computers, smartphones and smart home devices. For like personal use, you use computer for personal and smartphone for your personal and your smart home devices. And business network includes employee computer servers and other devices to streamline operations. Business network is related to business, the device like the computers, the laptops and servers which we use for business operations. Educational networks, that comes under connecting computers and devices within schools and universities for educational purpose. Computer networks in the field of educational is connecting computer devices within schools, universities for educational purposes. In business network, computer networks is used to link employee computers, servers and other devices. And in public networks, it provides internet access in public places like cafes, libraries and airports. I would suggest like cafes and libraries and airports, like public Wi-Fi is not at all safe, so we must not use that. So yeah, this was the example, so I have to mention that. So yeah, so these are the applications. Like in computer networks has very like vast applications or many advantages, like from the home to business to educational to public, everything comes under the computer networks. So yeah, that's the applications. So let's conclude that first lecture, that is computer networks are vital for modern communication, productivity and the efficient sharing of information and resources. They form the backbone of our digital world, connecting people and devices across the globe. So computer networks are vital for modern communication. In our today's fast-paced environment, it is used to increase the productivity, efficiency of sharing of information and resources to one user or to the world. They form the backbone of our digital world, connecting people and devices across the globe. So this was the first lecture of our computer networks, in which we have understand the introduction part. So let's understand now the quiz. You can mention the answers of the quiz below, so you have the grasp all the data which I have provided, or the information. You can remember that for the future PUs. So you can answer the questions. That would be like first, yeah, these are the questions. You can mention the answers in the comment side below. So that is it for the video, guys, today. I hope the video was insightful and helpful, and I'll meet you soon in the next video. Until then, thanks so much. Have a good day.